Vivo Apex 2020 smartphone runs on Android V10Q operating system. The phone is powered by octa-core 2.84 GHz, single-core, Cryo 585 plus 2.42 GHz, tri-core, Cryo 585 plus 1.8 GHz, quad-core, Cryo 585 processor. It runs on the Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 chipset. It has 12 GB RAM and 256 GB internal storage. Vivo Apex 2020 smartphone has a IPS LCD display. It measures 157.2 mm by 66.2 mm by 8.8 mm and weighs 169 grams. The screen has a resolution of 1080 by 2330 pixels and 398 pixels per inch pixel density. On camera front, the buyers get a 16MP primary camera, and on the rear, there's an 48MP plus 16MP camera with features like digital zoom, optical zoom, auto flash, face detection, touch to focus. It is backed by a battery. Connectivity features in the smartphone include Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, Volta, and more. Vivo Apex 2020 price. Vivo Apex 2020 smartphone price is likely to be $897.22, 64,990 rupees. Vivo Apex 2020 is speculated to be launched in the country on June 18, 2020, expected. As for the color options, the Vivo Apex 2020 smartphone may come in black, white colors. For more updates, subscribe and share this video.